For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
What is the solution?
Our solution
From
is
our
that
side?
you guys, you leave our university, you station anywhere you want to station, but do not enter a university without prior permission and admission from the university administration only.
Police go out! Go out! Go out! CRPF go home! Go home! Go home! See guys, one more thing. See that truck over there, they have brought cylinder, the stove, they have brought their blankets, their sleeping bags, their carpets, everything. They want to stay here. Do you guys accept them to stay here? No! Do you feel safe that you stay here and roam the whole campus? No! This campus is for the students of NEU, not for police, not for the SFM, not for the CRPF also.
Ki samla pule ke sekolah ba North Eastern Hill University ke Leshim Dakarai ban sange akademi shong kelas nado ke art pendai tarik uyayong arhajar arpusan. Kat bagi pulet kempat mina kena ke sekolah ba ke belawan ban pahara kena ke sekolah ba klem dayo kena ke jingbet ke bor break mi jangan ke jaga pule. Kat kum ke jing itu ki samla pule kilaong ba ki pulet ki badan ke civil dress kilawan ke performance ba kila kami unong yalam ke nehusu usambi sotun rengkat bat wei pat usamla pule bahadian bakila plat na yu habapoi ke gate 5 jong ke nehu. Pada performance ni ki pulet kelawan ta kumbalai phongod ai bat bagi samla pule kelet benekran yaki bantip ka daw bagi wan hakane ke jaga pule kila pha ban wan syo ki bor pulet ki bakan thop ki CRPF ki SF10 bat ki wiki kani kelapan bitar ki samla pule namar bagi bor pulet kelawan rong hakakot jong ke skol ba dan dayo kono ke jingbet na ki bor ke kimi Hakapor jan miat pat kladon gejing yanya hapeng ki magistrate bat ki samla pule daki kenta bara baki pulet kem tre ban mi nang ke jaga pule ki samla pule klarai dan dok at pendai trek uyayong kan amdan gejing song kelas joki agan ke sekolah kan baki sorkar kampat weng yaki pulet na ke jaga ki samla pule kila kedau baki kloi ban trelang baki bor pulet ek bede baki jing toket halo gejing keno uno hikai ubala keno bula sya thombor aki samla pule Mereka kuat bagi pulet kinuan ban pahara ya kene kejaka pule nambar bagabo iki agak sir. La ban kedau hang ni baglami ke kendrom kendram hagane ke skul ba hadian bawe unoh hikai haga Hindi department u Dr. Alok Singh ule keno bo presiden kene husu usan di sotun berkat we pagi kena pule kene skul ba hak arpsau trek uyayong lale cik office terekam jo bat kila bom la syo bat labernian ban peniap ya u
These persons have entered the university without her knowledge. Without her knowledge. Without her knowledge, they entered, and she has requested them to vacate the premises of the university immediately. Do you think that they should stay for even as 1 second longer in this particular? MLP, shame, 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 shame. MLP, shame, 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 shame. MLP, shame, 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 shame. CRPF, shame, 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 shame. When we were there in the particular department, we were told that after getting the order from the authorities, everything will subsidize the matter. And what did the authorities do? Instead of removing those 30, 100 plus again they are sending. Is this how you subsidize the matter?
And even if
You can ask all those personnel who are being deployed in the department, did any of the students misbehave or did any of the students create an environment where they feel threatened? None of us, we did that, sir. Respectfully, sir, submitting this. But now what do we get in response? 100 plus persons are being deployed in the name of safety and security of the campus. So teachers don't form on. Teachers are only one faction of the campus, sir. we have non-teaching staff, we have students. Students, almost 5,000 students are staying here, sir. Is the state government thinking about the students?
Chase them. Do you agree that we will chase them?
Yes.
They forcefully enter our campus, our home, and roaming the whole campus. So, do you guys feel safe? Do you guys agree with that?
No.
So, shall we chase them?
Yes.